As a kid, I used to watch a lot of Disney movies, and there was a common pattern in the sense of heroes struggling through the long, uncertain journey of change making. And usually there would be a mentor or a guide who would support the leader, give them some light in the tunnel, and provide them with the guidance and the opportunity to push them towards the enlightenment and towards achieving change in the world. Today, I am Saad Uakkas, a story of a guy who have witnessed that change, who have witnessed those opportunities to be able to reach where I am today, a student in the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine studying public health, thanks to the Chevening Scholarship and thanks to multiple opportunities that have been given to me. And today I'm making this video to thank UBC Health for again providing one of those life-changing opportunities for me as a student to get the chance to take part in the Towards Unity for Health conference. It comes at a critical moment where I'm moving from the studentship life to the work life, and being there in that conference will allow me again to represent my work and represent other young people as a youth advocate and share the reflections that we did, being it the abstracts that will be presented about youth work on COVID, as well as AMR and One Health education and other issues, or the workshop that we will be facilitating into interprofessional education and interprofessional collaboration for young people especially, and young students and health workers. And that has been the experience of many years of work in the International Federation of Medical Students Association and other youth NGOs, so that would be shared during the conference. And in this sense, I am really grateful for the UBC Health for providing this conference and for providing the scholarship and providing this opportunity for young students who are here, for example, like me, from Africa, from Morocco, from other countries who are in need and who need such opportunities to step up, raise their voice and present what they have to the world. So today, that is another example on how such opportunities and scholarships and supports, when given to young leaders and young people, it can push them to the next journey, so that in the future, hopefully, we can be maybe one of those examples of those Disney heroes. Thank you very much.